Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So, I got a Walmart box. Now, I recently noticed that they changed their prices. They really didn't say very much on it, but the Walmart beauty box, they say is for free, and then all you do is you pay for $5 for shipping, but we're just gonna say the box is $5. But until recently, this last box that I have right now, they just jacked up their prices to $7. So this is going to be either possibly my last box because I am not paying $7 for a bunch of samples. When they were $5, it was okay, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you guys are subscribed to the Walmart beauty box, make sure if you guys are getting it, make sure you check and see, you know, they raised your prices and see if you want to get it. I have a feeling more people will probably be canceling now, but let's just stop and see what is inside. Okay, so it says the Walmart beauty box, and there's a couple different items in here. One thing that caught my eye is this. Now this is, it says Wild Primos. It's a Scoochie brand, and there is 5 scrunchies in here. I really like this. I use these all the time. These don't pull my hair. Is this worth $7? No, this is probably worth like, I don't know, $3 or $4, but I probably gonna cancel this box. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I don't think these boxes are worth $7. I'm not trying to be negative about it. But then the next item I got is Humphreys Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner Soothe with Rose. So basically, is this I don't really know what Witch Hazel is. Is it like a makeup remover or something like that? Shake. Oh, it's a cleansing. Yeah, it's like a cleansing thing. So I got a sample bottle of the Witch Hazel. Actually, do you say the prices in here? Okay, so they say the scrunchies are $4.97 to $7.97. And then this is a sample size of the Witch Hazel, but a full size costs $10.98. I do think you can get a lot of uses out of this bottle. I mean, there is a lot of uses. Then we have the Hello toothpaste and toothbrush. The toothbrush is $3.99, and then the toothpaste at a full bottle is $3.99. So you get a toothbrush and a toothpaste. I've yet to use this. I'm kind of afraid to use the charcoal, but we got that. Then I ended up getting some nails. I've never actually put nails on before. I'm always afraid to, but these are 20 gel nails to last up to 14 days. This is a full size, and they say the full size is 32 strips. So this is 20. The full size is 32 strips for $6.97. Now this is something that's kind of cool. And then I got one last little sample. It's called Tanologist Face and Body Drops. Self-tan drops and a medium. So this would be nothing in here. So this is just a sample that they gave. Also in other people's boxes, they could get probably a little tiny bottle of the Olay Ultra Rich Moisturizer, which I actually like that, but it's a tiny little thing. Then there is a Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. I'm thinking what size the box. I don't know what size the actual bottle it would be. Then there is a Seventh Heaven Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which that is a full size. That would be $1.37. And then they have the Bliss Drench and Quench Hydrating Cream. So those are what's all in the boxes this month. So you guys might get mix and match things, but I don't know. For being $7, I'm gonna cancel it. I don't feel like this was worth $7. I mean, I really like the scrunchies, and I like it that they actually gave us something that we could use, but I'm kind of disappointed in the box. The thing is, they tell you they send you samples and you're paying for shipping. You get the products for free, but we all know how it goes. You guys are just paying for that. So I will be now discontinuing getting the Walmart boxes. If I can find something different to subscribe to that's worth it, I will definitely let you guys know, but I just want to give you guys a heads up. I may or may not come back. I kind of stopped it for a while and then came back to it, but I'm actually excited to use these. These are super soft and I love them, but I know for a fact I probably will not use the Hello stuff. I will try the nails, and I don't know about the witch hazel, but that is it. That is what is inside my Walmart box. So if you guys do enjoy this video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys can get some good things. But yeah, keep in mind that if you guys are subscribed to the Walmart Beauty Box, you might want to cancel it just in case you're not very happy with what you guys got. But please let me know if you guys are happy with what you got. But other than that, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys sometime in the near future for another beauty unboxing. See you guys later. Bye-bye.